Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through my experience at Yamaha, Kenya. It was such a, a very interesting experience. We took the bike for the 400 kilometer mark. Initially I went in because I needed to check the handlebars. I was having a bit of an issue with the handlebars. They were shaking. Somehow to an extent they were about to give me a tongue slapper. Later in the video you will see how the bike behaves whenever I let go of the handlebars. And so I took it in and they were like, since you're almost clocking 500, why don't we just do the first free service, which is at 500 kilometers. The bike went in. I was preparing to go in, and of course they have a long procedure of they usually don't allow people to go in, but I spoke to someone and I got access. And so I went in and I noticed they were draining the oil, and everything was going so smoothly. The shop looks really clean, looks really good. The work appeared professional. So it was going well so far. Until he was changing the oil. I noticed he was pouring a new oil, and he was doing about two bottles of the Yamaha 10W40, and I asked him why is he not adding like he's not topping up another 100 ml, and he was like, we're not topping up because we are not doing an oil filter replacement. And I was so shocked. This one was one of the most shocking things I had. The bike was at exactly 402.3 kilometers. And so I was just surprised why he wouldn't want to change the oil filter, and in fact he suggested that they were changing the oil filter at 5,000. That is the third service actually. Even the second service are not changing the oil filter. So the first service is free at 500 and another free service at 3,000, and none of those services are going to do the oil filter replacement. It's only at 5,000. That's why.
Nilikuwa nashangaa. So hujatoa
oil filter.
For the first ya kwanza ya 500 si lazima utoe hiyo filter ama
hata ya second. Filter tutatoa before ikifika 5,000. Hata plug air cleaner hizo ni zinauko 5,000. So tuseme ni kama that service. Unaona hata level imekuja iko sawa. Kwa kuwa hiyo ikiwa hapa hivi inaonyesha kwa
we just done. The bike has completed the service for 500 kilometers. I don't know how to feel about it. It's been washed. There are a few issues I noticed, so they looked at it. We are currently at 407 kilometers. Started the service much earlier. I don't know how to feel about it. They didn't change the oil pressure. Feeling kind of disappointed. Somehow they think it's not necessary to be changed at 500. Which is crazy. I've never seen such a thing. What is it going to cost? What damage is it going to do to the bike? You just change it, you know? Doesn't make sense to me. Yeah. So the next service I've done for 500 kilometers. The next one I'm going to do is at 3,000 apparently. 3,000. I don't know how to feel about it. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how to feel about it. It feels so far. Why should I do servicing so far away? But 500, I feel like it should be 500 and another 500. Now after I'm done with the breaking in, then I do another one. The 40,000 sounds so far. We are currently at 400. I think that's just too far. I think I'll just, well, I think I'll probably they're going to watch this, but I feel like I'll just have to change it earlier. Yeah, and also changing the oil filter. I think for the oil filter I'm supposed to change at 5,000. What? That's wild. 5,000. I mean, two services and they're doing two services and they're not changing the oil filter. That's wild. That's really wild. Got a wobble, and I feel like they've done the testing and it's freaking out. Doesn't, I think everything is okay for now.
Kama mashini iko sawa.
Asante kabisa.
Kama nimekutoa lini nasike ama lazima patwana
imekaa wiki kaa moja hivi kama
nadhani moja kwa si kitambo wakati nimekutoa hapa. Nini kiko sawa Pause 7 kilometers.
47.
nipatie kalenda yako dakika moja.
Ndio nakimbia kwa mbele hiyo.
Na sasa hivi nikupatie.
Ni hivyo.
Sasa.
Oh,
Karibu sana.
asante. That's it for me. I think I don't know how to go from here. I think I'll do I don't know whether to take it back right now. But in the thing you can't see anything. I need a second opinion or something. Yep. There are so many cops. But the bike feels very smooth right now. It feels like it's opening up. Yeah, this is the wall. Look at that. That's it for me for today. I'll catch you on the next one. I'll be making more videos. I'll try as much as possible to make more videos. So stick around, subscribe if you haven't, like and share. Looking forward to making more videos with the R3. See you guys.